Everyone, this is my final project for CS50. It's called SABDA and it's a web-based word guessing game made using Python, JavaScript, Flask, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. So here's the app.py, which does most of the heavy lifting, and here's the tested HTML where the gameplay actually happens. So let me show you off. So this is the home page. I know it looks a bit messy and cryptic, but believe me, it's a design choice and it's quite simple actually. You just have a single button here and you have your dashboard up there. So when you press start, you are asked to either register or proceed as a guest. But if you do that, your scores won't be stored in the leaderboards, which I'll show later. So let's just try to register for an account. Let's just say h is h. Let's just okay. And for the error handling, the error page is also quite intriguing, I must say. I quite like this look. The error is highlighted and it's all cryptic, kind of fitting for a word guessing game, I guess. So just try to register with a new password, and it allows us to do that. So there are three difficulties which you can choose. Let's go with the easy mode at first, just so I can get to explain what the game is. This is the word, this is a bunch of letters of the word in a jumbled order, and this is the definition of the word. So using these two clues, you have to figure out what the word is before the time runs out. So currently there is no timer here because for the sake of demonstration I've removed it for the first question, but there will be a timer ticking down here. And sabda just means word. Sabda is a Nepalese for word. So let's just say to carry or have equipped on or about one's body an item of clothing, that is simply just wear. So the easy mode is literally easy, so you don't have to uh, try too hard, I guess. But the other modes, I swear, they are much more harder. uh, Eccentric person, okay, that's just crazy, I guess. uh, Organization in illegal activities, mafia. Yes, I guessed all the words correctly, so my score was 100. And since I did log in, my high score is also saved, which is 500. Let's just go to the leaderboards, and as you can see, I'm in the top 3 with a 500 score. If I just go to game here and go to other modes, so yeah guys, that was about it. Thank you for watching.